Kedar Gore, your comments on, this entire issue. It's been a few years since this was highlighted, and now the Supreme Court coming out with this very strong statement.
Yeah, thank you, Gargi, for having me on this show. The Honorable Supreme Court has come up with a excellent order, and it is very strongly worded. And I'm really glad to read this order. Actually, uh, we all have been reading about this blatant violation of the Wildlife Protection Act and Forest Conservation Act in the world-renowned Corbett Tiger Reserve since past few years. And I'm really glad that the Honorable Court has nailed the culprits, and it has also given orders to form a committee that will not only formulate guidelines, but also assess the kind of ecological damage being done, how much it will cost to restore it, and the cost has to be recovered from the errant officials. I think that's the best part. What it also exposes is the very dirty nexus between politicians and some of the corrupt officials. I think this will give a very, very strong uh, statement. It will make a very strong statement among all such officials across India, and people will be careful in future not to really blatantly violate get into such violations. And personally, I think conceptually having tiger safaris in buffer zones should be avoided. We can probably have these safaris in some other areas which are not really corridors, not affecting free movement of animals, and where restoration of forests is required, so that both can go hand in hand, and at the same time we can also earn some revenue from the people who come to such
All right,
safaris.
I'd like
I
to
don't.
speak to you,
Yeah.
more on